In this AutoCAD Essential Training course, we're going to take you through lots of different aspects of the AutoCAD interface. Now, obviously, we've got a drawing open here, as you can see, in the latest version of AutoCAD, which is AutoCAD 2025. And you can see the drawing is open. It's a floor plan. We've got dimensions, grid lines, there's some chairs, some desks, and so on. Don't worry about the content of the drawing right now. The drawing is available for you to download from the library. It's called introduction.dwg, and you can open it up and explore it at your leisure later. I just want to take you through some of the main aspects of what we're going to be covering in this particular course. And these are primarily the interface to get you working with AutoCAD and getting you used to the interface and the workflows that you would instigate using that interface as well. So looking at the top of the screen, as you can see, we have an AutoCAD ribbon with various tabs here and so on. So that's the AutoCAD ribbon with the various panels in the tabs. We've got the quick access toolbar with these icons here, and the application menu is here, the big red A with the little flyout arrow there, like so. Now, all of those are allowing you to work with AutoCAD. There's other menus and toolbars as well. We have the info bar over here, where you sign into your AutoCAD subscription. If you type a keyword or phrase and press enter, it opens up the AutoCAD help screens. There's also various other bits of functionality here. You can even go to the Autodesk App Store if you wish. The main crux of AutoCAD is the drawing area here, which we will cover at length during the course. And there's various tabs and menus available. As you can see here, if I click here, I've got a menu there. I've also got a menu here, like so. And I've also got various tabs here, the model tab and the layout tabs. And we have the status bar down here, bottom right. And this is the command line where it says type a command. In the old days, we used to type our AutoCAD commands before we had a mouse. And we've got the view cube, and we've also got the AutoCAD navigation bar over here as well. Now, all of these tools can be used in AutoCAD. And what we're going to do in this course is take you through a breakdown, a deeper dive of all of this functionality to get you up to speed with AutoCAD. So when you walk away from this AutoCAD Essential Training course, you should be able to create your own drawings in AutoCAD in your daily workplace efforts and so on. So let's get going now and jump into the AutoCAD Essential Training course and do that deeper dive into AutoCAD.